Dive into this inspiring way Bible verses can spark hope in your life. Begin right here. But Christ is faithful over God's house as a son. And we are his house, if indeed we hold fast our confidence and our boasting in our hope. Hebrews 3:6. We all need hope to keep moving forward, to keep believing that better days are ahead. You can start with Psalms 35, which says, "Weeping may last through the night, but joy comes with the morning." When you're in the midst of struggle, it's easy to lose sight of our purpose and our passion. Remember, Romans 15:4 For whatever was written in former days was written for our instruction, that through endurance and through the encouragement of the scriptures we might have hope. We all need something to hold on to, something that reminds us that we're not alone, and Jesus said to him, "If you can believe, all things are possible for one who believes." Mark 9:23. This verse is a powerful reminder that even in the midst of hardship, there is hope. Happy is he that hath the God of Jacob for his help, whose hope is in the Lord his God. Psalms 146:5. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart, all ye that hope in the Lord. Psalms 31:24. This verse gives me hope that no matter what I'm facing, I can rise above it with God's help. It is not easy, and it didn't happen overnight, but slowly, you start to see changes in your life. Not slothful in business, fervent in spirit, serving the Lord, rejoicing in hope, patient in tribulation, continuing instant in prayer. Romans 12:11-12. Receive much hope from this verse, and thou shalt be secure, because there is hope. Yea, thou shalt dig about thee, and thou shalt take thy rest in safety. Job 11:18. No matter what you're facing, no matter how hopeless things may seem, there is always hope. Looking for that blessed hope, and the glorious appearing of the great God and our Savior Jesus Christ. Titus 2:13. There is always a way forward, always a chance for redemption and restoration, in Jesus Christ.